I recently hosted a bridal shower for Caitlin. I made some floral food labels to go along with the floral forest theme we had. These were a last-minute craft I did, as I had forgotten to make labels for the cream cheese we had on the bagel bar and a few other things we needed labeled. So they're a super easy, quick label to make. They got a lot of compliments, and I was told to share how I did it here on the blog, so I recreated some to share here. I made two kinds of labels: folded labels, which work well for setting next to platters or drink pitchers, and toothpick labels, which work well for sticking in dips or soft foods. Start by cutting your paper to size. For the folded labels, I made mine 3 inches by 4 inches. Next, fold the paper in half and write out the labels. I like to write it out first before adding the flowers so that if you mess up, you can just grab a new paper and start again. Once the labels were written out, I used a small hole punch to make a hole slightly lower than halfway down the label. Then I just clipped a few small flowers. These are a filler flower that I picked up at the grocery store, and I like using them because they don't dry out too quickly, so if you're making them a couple days ahead, this kind of flower works well. But you can use anything you'd like. I did use some dried lavender for labeling the lavender macarons. Then I just slide the stems through the hole, and on the back of the label, bend the stems a little and add a piece of tape to hold them in place. For the toothpick labels, I cut the paper to about 1/2 inch by 5 inches in size. Next, I folded the paper in half at a slight angle and then trimmed the ends with scissors. Then I wrote out the labels. Again, I like doing this first so that if I mess up, I can just grab a new paper and start over. Cut small flower stems and line them up so they are slightly above the toothpick. Add a dab of hot glue to the toothpick and flower stems, then take a label and wrap it around, making sure the toothpick is completely covered, but the flowers stick out the top. And if you'd like, you can cut the longer floral stems down. And that's it for creating these super easy, cute floral food labels.